Oh, sorry, guys. Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Afner, and today we're going to be learning about how to make a multi-line text. So, multi-line text is like an entry, but it's bigger because you don't have much space in an entry. But then on a multi-line text, you would have this much of space, like this much, or so much, or even this big. So today I'm gonna teach you how to make it. So import thinker as TK done. Okay, import thinker as TK done. Tinter? Wow, what is tinter? Right, guys? It's thinker. Think. Thinker. Oh no. Window equals to tk.tk. Okay, anyways, window dot title multi-line text, and then 400, 400, 640, right? And 430. Window.config. Today we're gonna do peachy is red. Then here's where we actually start. So what we have to do is text equals to tk dot text, right? Oh God. Window, comma, right? Comma bg equals to black, comma. Oh, what am I doing? Window. We just need to make the height and width. Width and height. Height equals to 400, comma width equals to 400. Text dot back. How do I give them? How do I like 10? And then window dot main. Okay, so this is pretty easy for you, right? So easy. Because you could just memorize this in like no time, and this is easy for you guys. So yeah, see, this is how big our multi-line text is. It has so much lines in here that I can literally, right? Wait, let's run it again. Okay, let's make like my name. My name is Abner, and today I am going to talk about how to make a radio button in Python. first, first, you write, and then you write, and then so on, so on, so on. Like you could make like even how do you say that? Yeah, like just more than like you can make a speech or even a letter, like more than a paragraph. Like probably this is like a whole notebook for you where you keep all your notes, right? Okay, so that's how you make the multi-line text. Okay, so thank everyone for listening about how to create a multi-line text. Feel free if you have any questions. I hope you like it and bye.